Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to do some design with Gold is the New Black. For my background I'm going to use Serious Black on all three nails and I'm going to apply 2 coats and cure each of them. And cure for 30 seconds. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna use Urban Graffiti top coat on 2 tips. And cure 60 seconds. To do an ombre effect with glitter, I'm gonna use Midas Touch and Champagne Bubbles from the glitter collection. And I'm gonna place those colors onto my palette. And with the Neodale ombre brush, I'm gonna tap the product. When you use some glitter, always work like a V shape, even if I am working on a stiletto nails. When you work on square nails, always drag the product like to make like a V. It's beautiful, it's more nice. So, and we're going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna use the gold chrome and I'm gonna rub into my top coat. You can do it with a sponge, you can do it with your finger. To keep this gold effect, I'm going to top coat. And cure 60 seconds. In the meantime, I'm gonna top coat my glitter nail. And cure for 60 seconds. Back with the chrome nail, I'm gonna use Serious Black and with a ducting tool, I'm gonna draw some round. Make sure there is no bubble inside your black. The detailing brush, I'm going to draw some line around the previous design. And before the curing session, we're going to use some acrylic Pure Black, and we're going to sugar our design. Check carefully, all the gel polish has to be matte. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product used are in the description box down below. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, everything. And until next time, au revoir.